Kryptonite, what are you doing? Matey. What you doing, Matey? What are you two up to? Huh? Are you two in trouble? Are you two starting trouble? No starting trouble. Where are you going, matey? Are you gonna talk to me, Crypto? Kryptonite! Crypto! Are you the crazy Quaker? Are you my Crypto? Are you Crypto? What, matey? What, beautiful girl? What, baby? Don't go visit Charlie. He doesn't like that. It's a good thing I have Pesky, or she'd be freaking out because you're on her cage. Yeah. What are you guys doing? Is it playtime? Crypto, you're warming up to talk to me. Matey, what are we looking at? What are you looking at, matey? Matey, are you looking for what you can steal? Huh? You gonna go raid another cage? Are you gonna go raid Pesky's cage? Are you? What are you doing? Maybe we should see what Charlie's up to. Huh? Hey, Charlie Bird. No, Kryptonite, don't come in here. Hey, Charlie. Charlie. Good evening. How's my favorite friend Tanya? I know you don't like the camera. I know, Mommy won't do it for long. I know. You'd rather be the down low. You'd rather be the down low bird. But you're so pretty. Such a pretty boy. Peekaboo, Charlie. Peekaboo. Alright, I don't want to make you too mad because Mama's going to be in there cleaning. Yeah, I don't want to push your buttons.